we are going in. Thank you. All right. And we are locked in, ready to go.
I've never done one of these style of attractions, so I'm very interested to see how it's going to ride.
Yeah, I have no idea how this is going to feel. Neither of us have done something like this before.
No.
I'm excited. I'm really excited.
I hate to say it, but I almost have the feeling we're going backwards.
Yeah.
And here we go.
And we're off.
So it starts spinning, and it spins in a clockwise motion, but the arms themselves are going to start spinning also. So this is going to be really interesting.
Very interesting. So right now we're only spinning in circles, and we are going backwards.
Yep, backwards.
We're going backwards.
We're raising up.
Yeah. Here we go. Oh man.
You actually.
Wow.
All right, so we're going forwards and backwards per se.
Yeah.
We got almost a little air time now.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
All right. That is a great view. A fantastic view here.
Man, I'm loving the airtime.
Yeah.
So again, right here. I'm not joking, you get a little airtime off.
Yeah, you do. Some real airtime here.
So what'd you honestly think?
That was really fun.
And
I can see this going to a good mark. It's a people eater.
yeah, I was a little worried about being nauseous on this, but I don't feel nauseous. It's more kind of like an up, down, up, down.
It's just a peaceful rush of wind. That's it.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
So I really like this ride, and I could easily sell or see a lot of these selling. And the reason being, it catches eyes everywhere. So yeah, good stuff. And now we're at the top. So we're gonna sit here for a second while they load the other portion. So they load the ones that go up to the top, sit in the air like what we are, and then see the ones down there? They're currently loaded. So while we're up here, we get a nice little breather and a view of everything that's going on for the IAAPA show floor.
Yeah, this is more so a good intermission here.
Yeah, a little break.
Yeah.
All right, so intermission is over, and here we go again for the second portion of this ride.
Round two.
Round two.
Woo!
So again, start spinning. We're raising up currently with the vehicle, and then the arms themselves are going to start to move in just a second, like right now.
And we're going the other direction this time.
Yeah.
This is going to be interesting. So we're going kind of forwards and then backwards, back down.
Yeah, interesting per se as far as different sensation, because we were going forward getting the forward airtime. Now we're getting the backwards motion.
Whoa! Oh, right.
So it switches it up. That's really kind of neat.
You sit in this seat, you get both rides, guaranteed. Yeah. That's awesome.
I think that's really kind of neat.
Holy cow.
I don't know whether I like the forwards or the backwards one.
I like backwards. I can safely say it. That's
all right.
Awesome.
So again, we're still getting a lot of airtime on this, which is neat. And overall, I'm pretty impressed with this ride. It's starting to slow down now. That is really cool.
That was really good.
I'm impressed.
Yeah.